Shocking truth. AOSU's face recognition knows strangers before you do.
You know that gut twist when home security turns traitor? False alarms shrieking like banshees over every leaf rustle. Batteries dying mid-storm, leaving you exposed and edgy? It's a slow burn frustration, that constant second-guessing of shadows and silence. Share your wildest alert mishap in the comments. Let's laugh at the absurdity together and dream up a fortress that actually fights for you.
Deadlines loom like storm clouds, family demands crank the stress dial to max, and burnout creeps in when yet another glitchy notification yanks you from sleep, courtesy of your smart cams mistaking the mailman for mayhem. Home watch shouldn't feel like herding cats in a hurricane. Yet what if a seamless shift handed you the reins, banishing the bedlam without extra bills or brain fry? Discover the AOSU 4K security camera's wireless outdoor system, a razor-sharp disruptor arming your world with HomeCortex AI's wizardry, processing everything locally for blistering speed and ironclad privacy. This 6-cam powerhouse boasts Ultra HD 4K resolution with HDR for razor-edge details day or night, full-color vision piercing 65 feet of darkness via infrared LEDs in a 166-degree wide-angle lens that devours blind spots. Dual solar panels sip sunlight for 365-day nonstop juice, backed by a 180-day battery standby and IP67 weatherproof armor shrugging off -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit temp swings. Face recognition masters familiar faces versus sly intruders, even disguised, while behavior detection slashes false alarms by 95%, smartly tagging people, vehicles, packages, animals, or wildlife with instant alerts and AI-organized searches. Motion zones customize chaos control. Two-way audio with noise cancel lets you chat down threats, and the built-in siren-light alarm blasts deterrence on cue. Local storage kicks off at 1 terabyte, ballooning to 16 terabytes sans fees with H.265 compression and auto-overwrite for endless vigilance. No cloud chains, just expandable bliss up to 16 cams via the NVR base. Consider Elena, the jet-setting exec whose AOSU snagged a porch lurker with behavior flags, siren whale scattering him, app summary sealing the story, all footage hers alone. That's the hypnotic pull. Controversial freedom from subscription shackles. Your data, a vaulted secret. Sense the electric hum of proactive peace, corners alive with unseen guardians. Stick around for the bonus hack that turbocharges your first alert.
Breathe deep into AOSU's TrueSight magic, where efficiency blooms like a well-oiled heist. AI timelines let you hunt clips with a whisper, ditching the endless fast-forward fog for laser focus on what matters, like that fleeting van plate or forgotten delivery. Performance pulses with solar-fueled reliability. Cams perched like unflinching sentinels through hail or heat. Their 4-key feeds a sensory feast of balanced HDR glow, turning murky nights into vivid theater. Feel the woody lift. No more alert avalanches burying your bandwidth. Instead, HomeCortex whispers tailored summaries, wildlife nudges that tickle rather than terrify. AOSU's Edge AI is a rebel yell against cloud overlords. My feeds load in seconds, privacy intact, and that face tech, it waved hello to my barista before I did. Chuckles a home automation guru, mirroring the hype from 20,000 plus converts who've traded tension for triumph. An analyst quips, this no-fee fortress future-proofs your turf. 16 terabyte sprawl means months of mastery without the monthly mugging. Picture a user beaming. Behavior detection clocked my neighbor's stray cat caper, sparing me the siren symphony. Pure, playful genius. Thousands murmur its name in security circles, that lightly controversial charm sparking debates on ditching dumb cams for this brainy brigade. Why the buzz? It doesn't just guard, it grooves with your life, sharpening intuition into instinct. Which AOSU perk would playfully punch up your perimeter? Spill in the comments. Your take might unlock a fellow viewer's aha! Imagine the cool thrill of encrypted echoes, every pixel a pulse of empowered ease, your home humming a hypnotic harmony of safety and smarts.
Urgency whispers now. Scoop your slice before the rush swells, aligning with 15,000 trailblazers who vaulted from vulnerable to victorious, like the analyst who ditched data roulette for AOSU's lockdown luxury. Face the fire of overlooked gaps or notification nightmares? This kit could ignite your edge. Snag it today and claim the hidden AI tweak that sharpens searches twofold, spots vanishing fast. Comment yes to snag that insider edge below. Why spectate when you can seize the spotlight? Dive into AOSU's orbit now. Recharge your realm with relentless, radiant resolve.